Hello.
Welcome to this year's Science Fair. So, this year, we are going to have little girls' questions, and we are going to make sure that you understand and get ideas on what a science fair even is.
So, if you've never been to science fair, well, this show will help you. Oh my, I forgot to introduce ourselves. My name is Mallory, and this is my BFF,
Sofia. I'm just in all red, and you can probably see me in the picture. Mallory is wearing a pink shirt and black pants. So, just so that you know and can tell us apart and don't think it's the opposite. So, now, let's actually get started with
these children's.
these children.
Science fair was based on where should you buy your popcorn? When you're at the store buying it, you should buy. I'm not going to say it. Or
Store-bought. And for our store-bought, we're using
Jiffy.
It might not be the best store-bought, but we're using it because we think that...
Okay, moving on to the question.
The question is, what kind of popcorn will leave the fewest unpopped kernels? Now, since we are saying it, or since we're doing it, we want you to make sure that you know what their hypothesis was too. So that maybe you want to do it at home, you can make your own hypothesis, even though you might already know the answer from us. You also should have the materials, which we'll explain later.
Well, this is what you think. If you have a wrong hypothesis, it's better because you learn something. So pretend you don't know anything. And remember, this is for fun, not to be bored sitting around. So let's move on to our hypothesis.
Our hypothesis was
We think store-bought popcorn will be better than natural popcorn because the store-bought popcorn will add extra ingredients to make it better and less popcorn.
So, Mallory, don't you think that we should just go on and just start talking about other things?
Well, we have to go to the materials and producers.
Yeah.
So our materials were
1 popper, wrap, vegetable oil, 3 paper plates, paper towels, and Casey's Girl stuff, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, which you don't really need a vegetable oil.
So anyway, you can't really see because, well, it's kind of blurry. Okay, so whatever. So now we're gonna go on to our procedures. Sophia, would you mind reading the procedures?
Our
Materials are right here.
Our procedure.
She's standing right next to
100 kernels from store-bought popcorn and natural. Get vegetable oil and popcorn popper. Put 1 teaspoon of oil into
vegetable oil.
Into the popper. Put 100 kernels that are store-bought in the popper. And then do the same for natural with the same amount of time.
Okay, thank you, Sophia's at the end. Okay.
Commercial.
Well, now we'll be right back so you can find out what our observations and results and conclusions were. Thank you for hello again. I hope you had a great time taking a little break. Well, those commercials can get annoying sometimes, but whatever.
But there is a commercial about our science fair projects
Next year.
you will be able to see.
Now let's get to the observations.
Science.
The observations were kind of natural
Popcorn and also store-bought Jiffy popcorn is 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Mallory, can we just get done with this right now?
Well, now that we have that, let's go on to the graph. The graph is, there is 93 of the Jiffy popcorn that popped. The red is the popped, and the blue is the unpopped. There's 7 that did not pop. They're for Jiffy. The 98 is for natural. And the 2, and there's a 2, and that means it did not pop. So we hope I would just to tell you this is Jiffy and this is natural. Now let's get to the results. The results were our hypothesis was wrong, and you should buy natural popcorn,
Even though it's harder to prepare.
because you have to peel it out. As you can see right over here, we have to peel it out. But now
Now that our science fair for this year is
Is
over, we will do the ending, which will be a little exciting. It's
For
a
all
little
of us.
mini talk show to review what you just learned. So you learned that you should buy natural popcorn instead of store-bought. Now, we might have not tried all the store-bought popcorn.
I bet all the store-bought popcorns in the history of the world probably would have been better than the one natural we had. But we just did. And remember, remember this order. Sometimes you can do observations, then results, then conclusions, or the opposite. So, whatever. It depends on you and your teacher. First one, question, hypothesis, materials, procedures, observation, results, and then conclusion in our science fair. So, have a great science show. Bye-bye.
Bye.